accused in the rape and murder of a 26-year-old veterinary doctor in Telangana last week were killed in an encounter in the early hours today, police said. An official of the Hyderabad Police Commissioner who confirmed the incident said the encounter took place around 3:30 a.m. under a bridge on the Bengaluru-Hyderabad National Highway near Chatanpalli village in Satnagar, as per a media report. Unidentified person exploded a low-intensity improvised explosive device in front of VISHAL MART building located at Chingmairong, Imphal today around 6 a.m. No one was injured in the explosion. Condemning today's IED blast in front of Chingmairong VISHAL Mart, employees of the mall staged a student demonstration at the shopping complex. The shopping mall has decided to shut it down until and unless a settlement is brought between the concerned authority and those who were involved in the bomb blast. All the Sutia Students' Union announced a 12-hour ASSAM'S from 5 a.m. on December 9th in protest against the Continuous Citizenship Amendment Bill. General Secretary Mahin Bora said the people of Assam would not succumb to the centre's conspiracy, a media report said. HDFC Severs Manipur, in collaboration with State Blood Cell, NHM and Janim's Blood Bank Porompat, organized a voluntary blood donation camp and campaign at Janim's Blood Bank today. The program was held in connection with All India Blood Donation Drive 2019 being held under the theme Towards a Stronger India, Let's Make Every Drop Count. AYUSH Care Clinic located at SAGOLBAND, Nepra, Mizoram, Layrak celebrated its second Foundation Day at the clinic today. Associate Professor of DM College of Science, Dr. R.K. Chandrakumar and former MLA of SAGOLBAND constituency, K.H. Loken Singh, presided the function. National Florence Nightingale awardee Maibam Ranita was felicitated by the Indian Nursing Council to commend her achievement during a formal function held at Hotel Euros in New Delhi last night. Dr. Sangeeta Takhelambam from Manipur was honored by the Talas Lifestyle magazine for playing a pivotal role in campaign for India integration with Northeast during a function organized by Delhi Heights last evening. A one-day national seminar on Bengal and Northeast region green innovators and social entrepreneurs was held at the conference hall of NIT Langol, Imphal, Manipur today. The seminar was jointly organized by MSME Development Institute, Kolkata and National Institute of Technology, Manipur under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise, Government of India and supported by MSME DI Imphal, MSME TC Imphal and NSIC Imphal. Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga on Thursday sought the centre's help to clear a bill to detect illegal migrants. In his meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the latter's office in New Delhi, Zoramthang urged the Modi to clear the Mizoram Maintenance of Household Register Bill 2019, which was passed by the State Assembly on March 18th, a media report said, citing an official source. The Assam Gana Parishad yesterday wrote a letter to Union Home Minister Amit Shah demanding that the centre ensures constitutional safeguards for the indigenous people of the state before bringing in the Citizenship Amendment Bill. This came on the heels of the AGP leadership facing severe criticism across state for its soft stand towards CAB. Authorities in central China say 7 people have been killed and 13 injured in an explosion at a fireworks factory in Hunan province. The Liunyang city government says the blast occurred in Wednesday morning due to illegal production.